Hey guys, it's Cold123. So today I'm trying these small things, the gummy candy. So I have no idea what they are. So what am I thinking? Right here. There we go. Open them up. Small things. So I'm gonna go about a couple colors. Each one I'm picking out has at least one different color. Otherwise, here that's all the flavors. Does it say how many flavors? No, that's not. Take that on my card. So, spit ball behind me. If I need to. Can you see it? No. Yeah. No, I can't see it. So I've got these 3 gummies. I'm not a big fan of gummies, but these look okay. So I might start off with this, yellow and red. So let me eat its face off. Yeah, I assume that's raspberry and that one lemon. I assume anyway. It's good. Nice. Well, that's done there for now. Next. The mission raspberry and lemonade. It's just for lemonade. That's definitely raspberry. First one I had was so tasty. Give it a 7 out of 10. The second one I had was quite tasty, so I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 because it wasn't the best. Now I've got these. I assume that was orange, that was lime. I assume. Here. Yeah, it's different orange. Oh, that was differently lime. So differently lime. That's good. Oh, look. Carrot colors. Carrot colors. I think I'm gonna give that one 8 out of 10. Because it's actually the best out of all of them. That was my Source 8 gummy candy. Yeah guys, that's it for today. See you later. Bye.